We're here in the desert, inside a foggara. This tunnel has been dug between two wells to bring the water from the desert to the oasis. Now that we have brought the water from the desert to the oasis, we have to dispatch it among the little gardens.
This is the palm grove of Timimoun. And here's a little foggara called Chinrisa. This foggara comes from about 3 kilometers away. If the water were to stop flowing from the foggaras, we would have to dig wells and to bring up the water, like we did before.
I only sell food that comes from my garden, that I raise with my own hands. I come here because there are a lot of people. I live in a small oasis 12 kilometers away, but there's no market there. There are only vegetable gardens. You know, if the water stopped running, life here would quickly become impossible, and the entire oasis would have to move.
In the class we call technology, we teach the children how residents of the Gurara learn to tame the desert and create the systems for finding water. Digging wells, of course, but also improving an early and ingenious irrigation system, the foggara. Several times a year, we organize field trips to the oasis gardens. We want to raise awareness in the children and show them that nature in the desert is fragile.